If you want to make around $1,000 daily on ChatGPT, today I'm going to show you how an expert could make over $1,000 or more this month with ChatGPT. Now, this is a article I've read front and back from medium.com, and I'm going to summarize it for you on ChatGPT. Now, the thing that they really pinpoint on is that ChatGPT can be used to make businesses on blogs, right? So, for example, we wanted to keyword researchers for search engine optimization, right? So, for example, if I have a client and they want me to optimize their search engine or optimize their blog so it can appear more on search engines by adding keywords, right? So, for example, my client has a blog about games, right? I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make me a keyword research about a blog that talks about games, right? Games, right? And I'm gonna type this in and I'm gonna click on enter. And you can see these are the analysis that ChatGPT is going to have. I'm gonna ask it, make it more in depth, something like that, so I can give it to my client, right? So basically, we're asking ChatGPT to work for us, right? And you see, this is what it will look like. So there's some competitive analysis here, search, internet, and content strategy. Now you can see, if we want to have a niche, I'm gonna do console games, for example, console games like this, and I'm gonna let it do its thing. Now let's just wait for it to generate the keyword research. Now you can see this is what it will say. It'll generate a keyword research report specifically for a blog about console game. And you can see this is an in-depth research report tailored for a blog focusing on console games. Now you can see it gives us like a couple of high volume keywords like 6 million searches, PS4, 4 million searches, GTA 5, 2 million, Cyberpunk 2077, a million. Now you can see these kind of research usually takes a person to do it, and it usually takes them a lot of time, right? But for ChatGPT, we can automate this and we can use it to work with our client or whoever. Even if you have your own blog, you can use this on your own to optimize your own blog for the search engines, and you can see how powerful this tool can be. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.